Have you ever wondered if one simple kitchen ingredient could give your plants a natural boost? Today I'll show you a quick homemade oat fertilizer that can be used for vegetables, flowers, and many garden plants, including tomatoes, cucumbers, peppers, onions, and garlic. First, take 1 tablespoon of plain oats. Any type of oats will work. Add them to a blender and grind them into a fine powder. Why oats? They contain organic nutrients and compounds that can support soil health. When oats break down, they can also provide food for beneficial soil microorganisms. Now add the oat powder to 500 milliliters of clean water. Mix well and let it sit for about 30 minutes. After that, strain the mixture to remove the solid particles. Now dilute the strained liquid with 1.5 liters of clean water. You'll have about 2 liters of a mild homemade plant tonic. Before using it, make sure the soil is already slightly moist. Apply a small amount around the base of your plants. Don't flood the soil. For best results, use this tonic about once every 3 to 4 weeks. Remember, this is a supplement, not a replacement for balanced fertilizer or good soil care. If you enjoyed this simple gardening trick, like, subscribe, and share it with another plant lover. And tell me in the comments, which plant would you try this on first? See you in the next video.